Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add friends and play with friends in car parking multiplayer. Alright, let's begin. First, launch the car parking multiplayer game on your device. On the left side of the screen, tap the Start icon to access the main game menu. From here, select the Online feature to start connecting with other players. To add a friend, you will need their user ID. Your friend can find their user ID in two ways. The first way is to check the top left corner of their screen where their ID is displayed. The second way is to go back to the homepage of the game and tap on their rank icon at the top right corner. Their user ID will be visible there as well. Once you have the user ID, type it into the search bar in the Online section and wait for the results to load. When your friend's account appears, tap on their profile. From here, you can select the Only for Friends feature to ensure that you are connecting specifically with them. After confirming the connection, tap Start to begin playing together. So that's basically how you can add friends and play with friends in car parking multiplayer. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.